People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love, greetings all my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You see, if you don't know, me always just say health over wealth. See? Now, my people, this matter, British citizen died in Jamaica, Maxfield, Kingston 10, Latoya Monte. First, let me pay my respect to her and her family, and I mean, both in the UK and Jamaica. Sad, you know. My awareness of it was raised today. I didn't know, but my friend was telling me about it today. So I should, you know, talk about it and give my views on it, because he don't find it, he can't understand it why, you know. But here what? After the break.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
I am a police, but me a fight crime. We bring back the peace now at the right time. White shadow say, she low, so I like line. Him love black down with him girl at night time. No more gun, no bye-bye. No unknown car, no drive-by. Me say the crime rate get too sky high. Every day for the news people a die. Attention!
Yes, welcome back my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, you see me? Yes, I don't know if you really look intermission. But big up all of my lion and lioness. I don't know, the channel has been buzzing and growing and the communication with me and one. I try to respond, you know what I mean, and give my honest comments and response, you know what I mean, with the matter, because we are all reasoning. Seeing some of us might have disagreement and some of us might, yeah, you know, try to see if it makes sense or fact or still debate. You know what I mean, debate is good to talk and try to resolve the problem, the situation, the issue, the matter. See, it's a pleasure talking to you all. See? Now, Latoya. Again, condolences to her mom and everybody, you know, her brother. I was reading the article. Because I asleep today, you know, I don't watch it. Well done, Arsenal. Arsenal won today, you know what I mean? 4-0, big win. You know what I mean? And they're in 7th place now. Big up all of the Arsenal fans. I know I'm an Arsenal fan. Chelsea got whop up. You know what I mean? 3-2. Big win for West Ham. You know what I mean? And Arsenal is still pushing for the 4th place. When you think Arsenal can get the 4th place, big up all the Arsenal fan. As an Arsenal fan, I not to put my money on it because they are so unpredictable. But anyway, back to Latoya. Again, condolences to her families them, you know. Yes, I'm gonna wake up and was going through doing my research now, said I'm gonna raise the matter and give my P's and Q's on it. You know what I mean? And I went in the loop, I went in the Observer, and I was reading through. I also went on YouTube and No Link page, big up No Link, and I saw a comment which I'm gonna show you later on in the vlog. See? Yeah, so the people were saying basically she and a male was in the car earlier and they had an altercation with a taxi man. See? The male in the car, nobody knows if it was her boyfriend, husband, brother, family or whatever. See? But the male put a gun on the taxi man. You know what I mean? The taxi man reported the matter to the police with the license plate of Latoya. See? Vehicle. So they went on the search. I think they buck it up later on. In the evening, they buck up the car and Latoya was in it. Well, my first was saying, when my friend was telling me about it, I said, I wonder if I shoot out and the man escape, but the man wouldn't run left the gun. You know what I mean? The man wouldn't run left the firearm and left her. But reading the paper, my understanding, the paper is saying that the police them say, allegedly, you know, them stopped the car, she was in it, she alone, and the gun was, a firearm was there. She asked for a private search, which they agreed to, and she tried to pull the gun on the officer. Then a shootout start, and I mean, maybe, me don't know, allegedly, see? But I'm saying, why, as corrupted the police that we are in Jamaica, some of them are bad and wicked and spiteful, you know, I don't think they would have just kill a woman just like that for no reason. It might sound wrong, it might sound, distressing to hear me talk like this. But, respect my condolences to the family them. But I'm just trying to pick sense out of nonsense, and I would like you guys to comment, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a lioness. Comment and let me know what you think in the comment section. Police, as well as saying the police, them how wicked them is, some of them, them not just kill a woman just so. Them rather bring her in, you know what I mean? And why would they kill a woman if she alone in the car? Based on the statement that was given and what her brother is saying the police them told him. See? Them not just kill a woman just so. Remember, I'm living in the system and no, police not just kill a woman just so unless it's a bad girl, a bad gunwoman or whatever, or something. There's two sides to every story, and Indicom has the matter in their hands now. So they have the police firearm, and them say them have the firearm with them police them adding that was recovered from Latoya. So they're gonna do their tests and all the forensic and all those stuff. But my point is, why would them kill her? If them say a shootout, if there wasn't a shootout and she never have a gun, why would they kill her? Them not just kill a woman just like that, just so. As bad as Jamaica police them is, and we burn them, because I know when we have burn them, we beat them bad enough. You see me? And we lick up on them, but them not just kill a woman just so. We find that dodgy, but we only can assume and allegedly. We just have to just wait on the outcome. We don't know how long it will take to come out, the result from the Indicom. You know what I mean? Anyway, Indicom say them do them work, you know what I mean, and them try to get out the corrupt police and the bad police them and take action after the wrongfully, you know what I mean, and lawful killing of the Jamaica resident citizens. That's what Indicom is there for. So them say them have the matter in their hands, so we just have to hope and pray, and hopefully the parents of Latoya, will get justice and get to the bottom of it and know the truth. You know what I mean? I know all the friends and everybody would like to hear the truth. See, so look up on New Link page. Big up New Link. New Link is doing a great job as well, providing information, you know what I mean, to the world. And him speaking things justify and burning fires when attack. See, so big up New Link. I was watch New Link review on the same matter Latoya, and I was scrolling through some comments as part of my research. Because I said, I want to see if there's any mixed comments. You know what I mean? Most of them were bashing the police, but one drew my attention. One drew my awareness, my concern, and I'm not sure we didn't see that. No, this person that made the comment seems like they know Latoya. Or seems like they know the person, them the male also, or them from the same East from Maxfield. I know where them are going with allegedly. Seeing allegedly. I now say, because the comments are made, why would one person just make that comment? It's not like a different matter scenario where somebody will fight against somebody. Remember, this is just a lady, British citizen who lived in Jamaica for 3 years. Been in Jamaica for 3 years. Out there, her dad is Jamaican. Seems like she's mixed race, her mom, And so this person made a comment. Why would a person make a comment like that? And the comment seems where the comments were typed with a surety. Because they must say, last week them go on with something last week. As you can see the comments there. So me don't know. Cause that me I say, boy, something is in something, and the police them wouldn't just kill her like that for no reason. They would rather bring her in. You know what I mean? Or is it a matter if there was a gun, she said, boy, she not going in, she rather die shooting. See, and she not intend to go to Jamaica prison where it's so rough. Fort Augustus. allegedly, I'm still not saying there was a gun, and I'm still not saying she shoot out with them, allegedly, but you know, me I say, boy, me I try to make the thing sound justified, and on both sides. The police, me I say the police they wouldn't just kill a woman like that, just so. Something is something. Because when I first heard of it, the matter, me I say, unless shoot out one and the man run, you know what I mean, the man in the car run. And this was before I started doing my research. I was saying that to my friend on the phone who was telling me about the matter. So me I say, unless something go on, man, maybe the man run, shoot out and run left her, you know? And maybe straight bullet catch her. Because the man, they wouldn't just, police never just kill a woman like that. You see me? They will more do it to a man, believe me. They will more kill an innocent youth and say, yeah, shoot out. They never just kill a woman and say, yeah, shoot out. They never just kill a woman just so. Trust me. As bad as I'm corrupt the police, them is. You see? Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. So I'm there, I drink some tea, you know. Some neem and garlic. Yeah, drink up the neem bush. It's good for you. Yeah? Good for you. I don't know. Big up on yourself. Peace and love. A lion foot. Let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? And this is me just giving my honest views. My honest opinion. You know what I mean? We may not agree on the same path. But, you know what I mean? Comment and let me know what you think. I don't know. A lion foot. Until next time. I'm out.
Them know it, Lord. Emperor Selassie, the Almighty Creator. Judgment in our road.